Okay, it's time for the much requested Eggs Benedict video. I feel like I'm basically teaching you guys how to make foods that are usually overpriced from the comfort of your own home. Because, well, that's financial planning 101. Now, since you already know how to poach an egg, that's about 25 to 50% of the work already done. So, in today's video, we make Eggs Benedict. Begin with the simplest thing that needs to be cooked. Place some parchment paper or a silicone mat onto a baking tray. Line the tray with a few strips of bacon and bake them in a preheated oven for about 15 to 20 minutes. If you're using ham, then feel free to skip this step because ham is technically already cooked. While your bacon is cooking, poach your eggs. The great thing is that you can poach your eggs a few hours in advance and reheat them right before serving. I won't be covering that in this video because I have a video teaching you how to do that already. As usual, the link will be in the description. Finally, work on your hollandaise. I recommend doing this last as hollandaise tends to clump up if it gets cold and no one wants clumpy hollandaise. We won't be doing a traditional hollandaise here as this method is a lot more forgiving and also swaps out butter for olive oil. Prepare these ingredients beforehand to make things a lot easier. Fill a pot halfway with water and bring it to a boil. Next, find a bowl that's larger than your pot. Separate 2 egg yolks and place them into the bowl. Pour in a little bit of the oil and a small splash of vinegar. Now place the bowl over the boiling water and begin whisking. Once everything has come together and is slightly paler, slowly pour in the rest of your oil while continuously whisking. If you've ever made a mayonnaise before, you'll be pretty familiar with this. Once your sauce is thick enough to coat the back of a spoon just like this, it's more or less done. Add in a little bit more vinegar and whisk to emulsify. Add in a pinch of salt and mix. Taste for seasoning and you're pretty much done. As for the muffin, I'm assuming you already know how to toast bread, so I won't be going over that in this video, or any other video. Time to assemble. Place half a muffin onto the plate, followed by your bacon or ham, your poached egg, and finally a generous dollop of hollandaise. You can choose to finish it with some black pepper, or paprika, or even chives, or just have it on its own. And there you have it. How to make Eggs Benedict at home. Now, you can have your Sunday brunch at a fraction of the cost without worrying about coming into contact with other people. Once again, remember that the hollandaise doesn't use traditional ingredients, so I will probably cover that in another video. But that's all for today. If you enjoyed the video or learned something new, remember to smash the like button, share the video, and consider subscribing. Also, let me know in the comments down below what other dishes you'd like to see or what other recipes you'd like to learn. But for now, I'll say thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all in the next video.